Hello everyone, this is Joe Pixt. I'm Joe, and today I am going to pick this Ace Series a527 that I received from noone. Again, thank you so much. I really appreciate it. Has a nice snap. This is 5 pins with the American style key and American style core. Let's grab 50 thousandths Turner and 15 thousandths Euro hook. Give this a little bit of a turn. Nice light tension. Got movement on the core. False set there. Okay, that was on one. Getting some more counter. Let's grab something a little bit more reach. There we are. Nice. Let's go ahead and gut this. I know from just looking into the keyway, I could see a serrated pin, a serrated key pin. Very nice. Let's pull this guy out. These tiny C-clips are the worst. Let's lock this since I have the key. Turn this around. Come on. Why are they so stubborn? I think they're designed that way. This is like just the wrong size for this. Ha, like that. All right, key, shim. There we go. And old 3D printed follower here. So this can be pinned up to 6, but it only has 5. Serrated in 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5. That's nice, having serrated in all of them. So these are both zero lift pins. Let's take a look. I'm backwards. Spool in, oh, a serrated spool, that's nice. A lot of these American style don't have that. They'll have spools and serrated pins, but serrated spools is something I typically only see with American locks. That's awesome. And there's another serrated spool. Another serrated. And another serrated. Very, very nice. Just a bunch of short copper springs, so I'm not going to take those out. Anyway, there we have it. The Ace Hardware Series a527. Anyway, if you like the video, please like, please subscribe, and have a great day. Thank you for watching.